Hello everybody, this is Elle. I am back. So today I'm going to be going through another packet tracer. This is the connecting videos LAN. So, in this one, we are given just a blank slate in the beginning. We have to connect all these wires. I already went through the lab, just that I had a better understanding of it before I shot this video. But I already connected all of my wires, so I'm just going to go through how to do the lab. So, it says at the bottom left, the orange lightning connections. This is where you are going to find all of the different cables that you can use. So USB, custom cable, optical, serial DTE, serial DCE, coaxial, bone, fiber, copper crossover, copper straight through, console. And then, so the first thing that you do is you want to connect cloud to router 0. So I use right here copper straight through, and I connected it on this side. Do that, connect on this side.
Let's say you went back and we did this
to Ethernet 1, and connected it to an Ethernet 1 on the other side. So the big thing is that you need to remember and you need to find which one it goes into, because like if it goes into an Ethernet on this side, it's going to have to go into an Ethernet on this side. It's not going to go into a serial port on this side. It's going to go into the same exact type on each side. So yeah, you want to grab right here your copper straight through, connect that to both sides of here. Next thing is router 0 to this. So for this one, I used the copper crossover. And when you connect everything at the end, sometimes it's a little funky in the beginning, but all of your arrows should be green, and they should all be facing upwards. Except for over here, you want these 2 black dots. And to get them to curve this way, using the console cable right here, you have to connect it to this one first, and then connect it to the router. So connecting router 1 to router 0, I used DCE, serial DCE. Yeah. So router 1, 0 to router 1, this is serial DCE. Router 0 to the netcad. I'll show you guys that one right here, copper crossover. Next thing you're going to do is connect your router to your, this one to here. You're going to use right here your console cable, connect it here, and then connect it here. Router 1 to the switch right here. You use a fiber optic cable. And then when you plug it in, you change the color to red. Cable modem. Oh, right here. Cable modem to wireless router. You're going to use right down here again the copper straight through, and you also use copper straight through to connect wireless router to family PC. And then to connect your home PC and your home printer to wireless router, you use. Actually, those are already connected. I didn't make those connections. When you get the lab, here you have these connections. So, yeah. Okay, so now we're going to test connections. So we're going to go to family PC here. And then we're going to go to the that one. Desktop. there we go. Command prompt, and then ping net account. .pk. Give that a sec to load up.
And then I'm going to click on one more Ethernet cable, PC number 2, I go from my Ethernet 0 up to my switch, and I'll go ahead and choose O2. It doesn't really.
Okay, sorry, I just had to give it a sec to load up. It was running a bit slow. But now you can see that it has sent for and received 4 pings. Right here. Then we're gonna go
I'm sorry.
over to desktop,
Ruin your entire day.
go to web browser, and in the URL we're gonna type in
Here's all my IP addresses that I have. I have it recorded. Again, record management is crucial in IT. We have a small little network right here. Think if you had this entire network, are you going to need to know a place for all of your IP addresses? Yes. So in your video, in your blog, you can demonstrate your TPAS that you have all of your stuff. Beautiful. And then you show that you switch VLAN ports on your switch. It's on it today.
Now we're going to go to
Please
home
ahead and
PC.
do that for today. And put them together, yes, so you see in one video, so you can put those together in one video and
ping the switch.
yeah, I said it.
Okay, so to get to the IP address for the switch, you just scroll all the way up here, and right here you see switch. And this right here is your IP address. So from the command prompt, remember we're in the command prompt of home PC, you are going to want to type in ping and then 172.16.0.8. And now it's going to ping.
It's not that hard. No, it does not. It is simple. It is what you are all.
So you got 2 and lost 2. So what I usually do when I do that is I just would go for the up arrow and ping it again. And there we go. We got 4 out of 4. So there's that. So after we ping that, we want to go to the terminal, configuration terminal.
Okay, we'll go. Let me see your keypad.
And we're just going to want to click enter. That way we can go to router 0. And we just want to type in show IP interface brief. Enter. And there we go. Those are our different IP addresses for our Ethernets, serial, and then those ones don't have IP address. So I just got out of that, and now I'm going to do part 5. So examine the cloud. So click on the, up here, you have logical and physical. You want to click physical. And it's going to take you to home city. You want to click on that, and now you have your different networks. So,
if you guys are done, do some research for cyber patient.
go to here, primary network. And now in here, if you scroll down, you have your configuration terminal. But yeah, you can just go in to answer all of these questions. Here, and here. You just go in to each of them. Cloud. You have this one. Cloud. This one doesn't have another rack. And this one is asking how many wires are connected. So there's 2 wires right here. So there's that answer. then yeah. So just go through, go into each of these, and you'll figure that out. And then to get back to the screen we saw in the beginning, we would click logical, and now we're back to all the wires. So yeah, that is how you complete this lab. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, night, whenever it is for you. See ya.